Welcome. Today we're diving into how you can connect Claude to Power by using the PBI MCP extension, making dashboard building faster and easier than ever. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the analytical side of Power BI or Tableau, you're not alone. Many data engineers and professionals find dashboard creation a bit daunting at first, but with the right tools and a step-by-step approach, you can streamline the process and let AI do much of the heavy lifting. Let's walk through the journey of connecting Claude to Power BI and see how this integration can transform your workflow. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. I'm Kirthai, a data engineer who until recently didn't have much hands-on experience with analytics or dashboard design. Like many, I found tools like Power BI and Tableau a bit intimidating, but discovering the integration between Claude and Power BI changed my perspective. Now I'm excited to share my experience and the dashboards I built along the way, hoping it will inspire you to try this workflow for yourself. You might be wondering why bother connecting Claude to Power BI. The answer is simple: efficiency and ease. By leveraging Claude's AI capabilities, you can automate much of the dashboard creation process. Instead of spending hours figuring out DAX measures or data transformations, you can prompt Claude to handle these tasks. This not only saves time but also lowers the barrier for those new to business intelligence tools. Let's see how you can set this up step by step. Before we jump into the setup, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need Visual Studio Code, the Power BI MCP server extension, Power BI Desktop, and Claude Desktop installed on your system. These tools form the foundation for connecting Claude with Power BI. If you haven't installed them yet, take a moment to download and set them up. Once you're ready, we can move on to the integration steps. First step is straightforward: download and install Claude Desktop, Power BI Desktop, and Visual Studio Code if you haven't already. These applications are essential for the integration process. Make sure each one is up to date to avoid compatibility issues later on. Once installed, open each application briefly to ensure they're working properly. With the software in place, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, open Visual Studio Code and head to the Extensions panel. Search for Power BI MCP Server and install the extension. This tool acts as the bridge between Claude and Power BI, enabling seamless communication between the two. Once installed, confirm that the extension appears in your list of active extensions. This step is crucial for the integration to work smoothly. After installing the extension, you'll need to find its executable file. Open File Explorer and navigate to the extensions directory. Typically, you'll find it under your user folder in the vscode/extensions path. Look for the Power BI Modeling MCP exe file, right-click on it and select Copy as Path. Save this path somewhere handy as you'll need it for the next configuration step. Now launch Claude Desktop and navigate to Profile, then Settings followed by Developer and finally Edit Config. This will open a JSON configuration file. Here you'll paste the path you copied earlier, ensuring you use double backslashes in the file path. This step tells Claude where to find the Power BI MCP server, enabling the integration. Double-check your username and path formatting to avoid errors. With the configuration in place, it's time to restart your system. This ensures all changes take effect and that Claude can properly connect to the Power BI MCP server. After rebooting, open Claude Desktop and check that the integration is active. If everything is set up correctly, you're ready to start building dashboards with Claude's help. Now comes the exciting part: building your dashboard. For this demonstration, I used my personal expense tracking data. With both Power BI and Claude open on my desktop, I was ready to establish the connection and start creating. This setup allows you to leverage Claude's AI to automate much of the dashboard creation process, making it accessible even if you're new to BI tools. Connect Claude with Power BI. Simply prompt Claude with Connect with Power BI Desktop. This command initiates the integration, allowing Claude to interact directly with your Power BI environment. Once connected, you can start asking Claude to create measures, generate insights, or even design visual elements for your dashboard. The process is intuitive and saves a significant amount of time. Once the connection is established, I asked Claude to create measures based on my expense data. Claude quickly generated a comprehensive set of related measures automatically. Tasks that would have taken me hours to figure out manually were completed in minutes. This automation is a game changer, especially for those who aren't experts in DAX or data modeling. Claude's output included a variety of useful measures and calculations, all tailored to my expense tracking data. Reviewing these results, I could see how much time and effort the AI had saved me. The measures were accurate, relevant, and ready to be visualized in Power BI. This step highlighted the true value of integrating AI into the dashboard creation process. With the measures in place, I moved on to building the actual dashboard in Power BI. Using the AI-generated calculations, I could focus on designing the visuals and layout. This approach allowed me to create a professional-looking dashboard much faster than if I had done everything manually. The integration truly streamlines the workflow from data to insights. The dashboard I built visualized my personal expense data in a clear and interactive way. With charts, graphs, and summary cards, I could easily track spending patterns and identify trends. Power BI's visualization tools, combined with Claude's automated calculations, made the process both efficient and enjoyable. After building the initial dashboard, I spent some time refining the visuals and layout. Power BI offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tweak colors, fonts, and chart types. With Claude handling the calculations, I could focus on making the dashboard as user-friendly and informative as possible. The end result was a polished, professional dashboard ready for presentation. For those new to business intelligence tools, this workflow is incredibly helpful. Claude takes care of the complex calculations, so you can focus on learning the visual and design aspects of Power BI. This approach lowers the learning curve and makes dashboard creation accessible to a wider audience. If you've been hesitant to try Power BI, integrating Claude could be the perfect starting point. One of the best parts of this workflow is the hands-on learning experience. By building dashboards with Claude's help, you gain practical skills in both Power BI and prompt engineering. Each project helps you understand how data flows from raw input to actionable insights, all while leveraging AI to speed up the process. Beyond efficiency, this approach makes dashboard building genuinely fun. Watching Claude generate measures and seeing your data come to life in Power BI is rewarding. The interactive nature of the process keeps you engaged and encourages experimentation, making it easier to learn and improve your skills over time. If you've been on the fence about diving into Power BI, now is the perfect time to give it a try. With Claude handling the technical details, you can focus on exploring your data and building dashboards that matter to you. The process is approachable, efficient, and surprisingly enjoyable. Don't let the learning curve hold you back. Start experimenting today. Summary: connecting Claude to Power BI using the PBI MCP extension opens up a world of possibilities for efficient and enjoyable dashboard creation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced data professional, this workflow can save you time and help you produce high-quality dashboards. Give it a try and see how quickly you can turn your data into insights with the power of AI and business intelligence tools working together.